Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will learn how to get Coursera course for free with certificate. So, let's start. Currently I am logged into my Coursera account and Coursera homepage is open. Now I will navigate to search box present on the header section and type the course name as per my requirement and hit enter. All related course results appear on the page and then I can select the most appropriate course from the search results. To get the course with certificate for free, learner need to apply for financial aid. By doing this we learner don't need to pay anything. I have done all my certificates by this way only. You can see that I haven't paid any amount under amount column. Now to get the financial aid, I will click on financial aid available link and a dialog gets open stating application take at least 15 days to get reviewed. Click on continue to the application link. Financial aid page gets open and then tick both the checkboxes present under we ask that every applicant and then type the I agree to the terms above text the same way written on the page and then click continue button. Once you do so, background information page gets open. Select the education background from the drop down. In annual income edit field put 0. Select employment status as unemployed. Enter 0 in how much can you afford to pay? Edit field. Now answer the why are you applying for financial aid? Question in minimum 150 words. While answering this question try to highlight that you belong to financially weaker family, and you can't afford to pay the course fee. Next answer the how will taking this course help you achieve your career goals? Question in minimum 150 words. While answering this question try to highlight that you are keen learner and want to learn something and improve your skills. Mention the key points that you will learn from the course. Now under help us improve section, select the no radio button for would you consider using a low interest loan to pay for your courses? Question and then write the justification for selecting no on the edit field present under help us improve section. You can mention that you cannot afford to pay for this course. You can also copy my answers which I have provided in the description and edit those answers as per your requirements. At last, take the tick the I'm not a robot checkbox and then click submit application button. Once you do so, your application will be submitted and you will receive an email which says we have received your financial aid application and it will also tell you about the date by which that application will be approved. Now you can keep learning the course by enrolling and you can get the certificate after 15 days once application is approved. Please check your email after 15 days and you will receive congratulations. You have been approved for financial aid email. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.